Okay, now we're moving on to writing your second paragraph. You wrote your intro, that was last week, and everyone who's had one done by Friday, I checked yours and gave you some feedback. If it wasn't finished by Friday, then I didn't have anything to look at. I might have a chance this week to look at it, but that was really your only assignment for last week. This week we're going to focus on this body paragraph. It should really only be one paragraph. You shouldn't have to break it into two. You are going to write several sentences that support your thesis. Okay, you need to start with a strong topic sentence. You only have to worry about the topic sentence today. So when you go into my writing classroom, you should see, and if I've set this up correctly, this question that is to write a strong topic sentence for your support paragraph. So the focus of this paragraph is to support your thesis, all right? Whether or not social media is to blame for teens doing dangerous stunts. Your topic sentence cannot use the phrase there are or there is, any derivative of that. You cannot start your topic sentence with this phrase. I don't want to see this word many in your topic sentence, and I don't want to see the word very in your topic sentence. So all we're focusing on today is writing a strong topic sentence for your support paragraph. Now, the first thing that your mind might jump to is something along the lines of there are many reasons social media is to blame for teens doing dangerous stunts, or there are many reasons social media is not to blame for teens doing dangerous stunts. Well, you've used there are and you've used many. You can't do that. So you need to think of some sort of a unique way to introduce your paragraph that supports your thesis. This information, if you go back to your organizer, you're going to be pulling all the information from these three pieces of support that you already gathered. These are your evidence, and we'll get into that later on next week. Or I'm sorry, later on this week. But for right now, just think of a good, strong topic sentence. If I set this up correctly, then those of you that are saying, yes, social media is to blame, once you've submitted your topic sentence, you should be able to see the people that believe or think the same way you do. Those of you that said, no, it's not to blame, you should see the topic sentences that the people in that group came up with. So once you've written your topic sentence, you should have a bank of topic sentences to look at and consider. But the 2 points, one of the points is that you came up with a topic sentence, and the other point is that you didn't use the words I told you couldn't use. All right, so that's your assignment for Monday.